Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm unboxing a new addition to my cash binder setup. So if you're interested in seeing what I unbox today, stay tuned. Binder from a company on AliExpress. It's not 𝕃𝕚𝕟𝕜, it's a completely different company. It's where I bought my first personal planner. It's where I got this personal planner from also, and this one from. This is the one that I painted, and I'm trying out a new color and a new style, so figured I would unbox it with you guys. So it doesn't come set up like how 𝕃𝕚𝕟 binders come. So it should look a little cheap, but I'm not gonna lie, the quality is just as good as 𝕃𝕚𝕟. I only have like one gripe with their binders. And it's nothing major. It's something I'm going to look into changing because I like a certain look. So it comes in this little dust bag. Obviously, you know me, I got a dust bag lined up to use for it. I'm not going to be using this. Very standard. I don't even know what kind of material this is, but it's not soft and it's not velvety. But you know what? It holds the planner. If you want to keep this, you can keep it. So this is the binder. It has silver poppers, 2 double poppers, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pockets with a slip pocket here and 2 secretarial pockets, and you got 1, 2, and 3 side pockets, and then of course the big back pocket in the back. I'm really loving this color. It's a nice, beautiful chocolate brown. On camera, it looks like a brighter brown, but it's actually quite deep. It's not this bright. It's sort of like how I painted this binder. Right now on camera, it looks red, but it's actually a deep red. Of course, it comes with a fly leaf, and then that comes with 3 pockets on the back and the extra pen loop. Rings are 30mm, and then you have your zip pocket here. The only thing I don't like about their binders is this. I'm not a big fan of the zip. I like the other zip. I like where the zip has a hole at the end. So I'm gonna look into how I can change that out, so I can change the zip, because I'm not a big fan of that. But outside of that, I absolutely love this company's binders. A lot of their stuff is sold out, and I have not seen them restocked in a while, so I don't know if they're going to be restocking after. I think these could be their final sales. I do not know how to pronounce the name of the company, so there's that. This is the new addition to my cash binder envelopes. I'm going to be switching out of this white one into this. I wanted to do more darker colors. I love my white croc, but I want to put that up for a bit and try something different. And the way I've set up my cash envelopes reflect best with this color. So that is why I'm switching it up. If you're interested in seeing how I switch up my cash envelope binders, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.